Hello. I know it's late and I promised you it yesterday and before 8 o'clock tonight, but it's been my birthday and I've been busy. I've had loads of people to see. But here it is, as promised. 25 seconds of first volunteers for my 25th birthday. The baby's got a lot to say very clearly. Are you ready? I feel pain. I call your name. Who's to blame? Never in vain. Break the chain. Been through a lot. Now I am strong. Understand. You're always in the wrong. That's a little snippet of verse 1 because I want to keep verse 2 private until it's released because it's like the whole point. The whole point. Let me know what you think.